Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting phonics lesson. Today, we are going to learn about initial consonant clusters. Initial consonant clusters are two or more consonant phonemes in sequence with no vowel sound between them at the beginning of a word. Are you ready? Let's go. Brush. As in brush. Crab. As in crab. Dress. As in dress. Frog. As in frog. Grass. As in grass. Press. As in press. Truck. As in truck. Black. As in black. Clock. As in clock. Flag. As in flag. Glass. As in glass. Plug. As in plug. Slap. As in slap. Scab. As in scab. Skip. As in skip. Smell. As in smell. Snap. As in snap. Spain. As in Spain. Step. As in step. Swing. As in swing. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.